सांग
फूल फ्लॅज आम्ही मस्जिद ओपन करपा म्हणून रिक्वेस्ट करून आयिल्ले. सो तेंच्यांनी कितें म्हटलां, आतां सद्याक फूल फ्लॅज ओपन केलें जाल्यार कोण येतले आनी कोण अनवळखी सुद्दां येयल्यार वी कांट दिस थिंग लायक कळपाक ना न्हू कोण कितें घेवन आयला आनी कोण अनवळखी कोण तुमच्या वाड्या वयलो. सो तेंच्यांनी कितें केलां, लायक एक पर्टिक्युलर प्लेस तुमी एक मेकआउट करा, अमके लोक येतले अजून तुमगेले मजत करता ते तुमगेली लिस्ट हाडून दिया आनी ते लिस्टा प्रमाणे आमी चालू करता.
पण आज फाल्यांच्यान चालू जातले काय कितें केलां आतां?
फाल्यां मॉर्निंग परत आमी डिस्कशन.
फाल्यां मॉर्निंग आनी एक मिटींग आपयता म्हणून सांगला तेंच्यांनी आनी कोण लोकांक लागून लेट द कलेक्टर टेक द मिटींग एंड टुमोरो शी विल डिसायड.
आतां मस्जिदाचो ताबो कोण घेतले? तुमीच घेतले परत काय कोण
ना
घेतले?
ते डिसायड करतले.
कोण करतले डिसायड?
पोलीस आसा, कलेक्टर आसा, ते डिसायड करतले की कोणाक हातीन दिवपाची, कशें चलोवपाचें, कशें रेस्ट्रिक्शन कितें आसतलें ते सगळे तेंच्यांनी सांगता म्हणून सांगलां.
तुमची मागणी कितें आसली तेंचे कडेन?
आमकां बेगीनच्या बेगीन मस्जिद चालू करपाक जाय.
चालू जावपा म्हणून आमी आयिल्ले की बेगीनचे बेगीन चालू करपाची मस्जिद. आमची मागणी इतलीच आशिल्ली, मस्जिद चालू करपाची.
हांव कितें म्हणटा लायक सगळ्यांक कितें जाय, फक्त जे कोणें ते केला पळय एक्यूज तांकां येवपाक नाका. बाकी सगळे आमगे गांवांत आमी एक जाल्ले आहा, तेंचे 4 लोकां लागून ती झगडी जाताली. सो तांकां आमी इन्फॉर्म केलें की वी ऑल पीपल हॅव टुगेदर आनी आमकां आनी कांय करपाचें ना. आमी सुद्दां रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवपाक रेडी आहा गांवचे लोक की परत अशें कांय जावपाचें ना म्हणून. सो तेंच्यांनी परत फाल्यां आपल्याला
कितले मेंबर आहा तुमगेले?
Okay.
फाटी
आज मीटिंग झाली तिचे.
हय
We had told collector I requested chief minister told the collector to take a meeting of the stakeholders and see what comes out from there and submit a proposal to the government. Police, they are saying the other the PI category stated that when he went to ask who else is there, they said no, that all the people of the village, all the people of the housing board, सगळे लोक एक झाले and he thanked that time. Now collector said we will listen to the other side. SP is saying we'll listen to the other side. Now I don't know which is the other side. So we have given them time tomorrow, the district administration, to call the other side. We will have a joint meeting to see who is the other side and what is the problem. See, I have been very straight. I have told the police, I have told the administration that all these people have created confusions and the people who have created confusion should be kept out. Now the administration has to find ways how to keep them out. I given them suggestions. Bond them over and tell them that they should not enter that place. That they can go to any other masjid. Religious right, I don't want to take over. Go to any other masjid. Now, after deliberations, we came with one solution. We have given them a solution. They gave them a solution. Only 200 people will just do the rituals and come out. Nobody will be allowed elsewhere. That others will go wherever they want. These 200 people are genuine people and all seniors. We just want it to be done peacefully. I told them, I explained to them, don't give the administration a chance to close the masjid. That if there is any more incident, administration will get an opportunity to close the masjid forever. So they have also understood that there should be no incident. And if there is an incident that the masjid will close, they have also understood. Everybody has understood the reality. Now I am being very straight. I have explained the situation to the collector, I have explained to the police. I have told the police, if those people have not to be allowed in, they have not to be allowed in. These people have said that in case they come in, that we will not fight. We will come and tell the police that we don't want him inside. The police has to come and take him out. See, they have also given a very good solution. Basically, they have also understood I have also understood the situation. But we should not give the administration a chance to do something against us. Administration is not going to make that mistake, but administration will be those few fellows who are creating problems, who have created problems all these years, will make a situation to see that administration takes a wrong decision. So they are threatening. In the meeting, one point came that one party has complained against another party that so much of money has been swindled off. See, these are all ways and means how to destroy the peace of the people. Those few fellows are doing all this.
So
I will name them. When time comes, I will name them. Don't worry. It's just a warning today that how many people are there. I know exactly all the names. Make sure I will take each and every name.
Have they given the name to the administration?
Who?
Fellows.
Yeah, they have said that they accuse people. I have gone one more further. I have said in whatever groups are there, those 10 main people, you take them out. I've gone one step ahead. Now, if the police can't find out who are the names, I think the police has to give up the job.
So final decision will be after
Final decision will be tomorrow. I have given the collector time tomorrow. Then we will take the proposal to the chief minister, to the government, and take for a final call. Here the committee doesn't arise. We are not going to argue on the committee. We don't want any committee right now. Let the committee procedure follow. Both the committees have expired. The society registration of both the committees have expired. आता आमकां एक चान्स आहा बरें सारकें करपाक. We can set an example. And they have also understood it. I am speaking in front of them only. I am not speaking at the back of it. That's it.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.